Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. And a special thank you to all my subscribers. I finally hit 1,000 subscribers. For those that don't understand why this is so important, I get monetized by YouTube now. What that means is all those annoying ads that you see in the middle, before, and at the end of my video, I will get a portion of the revenues from that and directed right to me. So I am still waiting for their approval, but I don't see any reason why I won't be monetized. So thank you again so much for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed yet, why not? What's holding you back? Just click that notification bell and you'll get notified of future videos from me. And if you're already on my channel watching, give me a thumbs up. All right, so today I have a few Stitch Fix Shop Your Looks items, okay? The first thing that I got was this little orange tank, and I thought this was cute. It has a lot of side ruching here. It is the Waif Side Gathered Racer Tank, and it was, I believe, $35. And I'll give you links below, all right? This is coming off on the camera brighter orange than it is, but it is still pretty orange. They're calling it the color Cantaloupe. It's the size extra small. When I got this in the box, it was inside out. So like, you open up the envelope and I open it up and it was inside out. I redo it so it's right side out and I immediately noticed these two dots on it. So for that, this is going back. So this is obviously damaged, but I will try it on for you to see how I like it. And, maybe I'll do an exchange if I really like it, but I don't think I like the color enough. It's not, it's a bright orange, but it's a little bit brighter than I was hoping for, and it's coming off way more orange on the camera than it is in life. All right, next up, I got this sweater. It's by 41 Hawthorne, polished pointelle, short sleeve, open crew pullover in yellow, size extra small. All right, the color that you see is pretty much the color it's coming off. It's coming off as a bright yellow, almost like a highlighter color yellow. And it looks very long to me, at least to me. Remember, I'm short, I'm only 5'2". I will try this on, but I'm not looking forward to it. It's not exciting me. I thought it was going to be a softer yellow, and the length of it does to me look quite long, but you never know. I'll give it a shot and try it on. And I believe this was $58. Oh, let me tell you the material of these. So let's see. The sweater is 80% rayon, 17% nylon, 3% spandex, made in China. And the waif top is 65% rayon, 27% polyester, 8% spandex, okay? Next up, something I've been looking for a year are a pair of chambray pants, and this is exactly what I was looking for. These are by Splendid, and of course it comes with that splendid price of $128, and they're called the Soleil Pant and Chambray, size extra small. So if these fit nicely, I'm gonna keep them because I have been looking for a nice lightweight chambray pants for quite some time. And actually these don't look like they'd be too long. They look like they'd fit, but the question is, will they be flattering? All right, so I will give these a shot, and if they look nice on me, I'll keep them. And the last thing, I ordered shoes. Are you surprised? Well, what's more surprising is that there's shoes I ordered and returned before. So I've been thinking about these loafers for a while now, and they've been haunting me, so I reordered them. So these are the Sam Edelman Tailor Chunky Heeled Loafer in off-white, size 7, and they're $150, all right? And that is why I returned them the first time, because I found another pair of ivory shoes, and I just couldn't justify two of them, even though they're a completely different style. The other ones are heeled Mary Janes. I just felt two pairs of ivory shoes at once was pushing it. So these are leather uppers and obviously balanced man-made. There is a cushion and it does have the chain link detail on here. I'll try these on again just to show you, because I'm sure you guys didn't see the first time, and just to make sure that they're still comfortable. But yeah, I'm gonna keep these. I've been thinking about them and I decided I should just order them. All right, I have to go to work now, and this will be seamless for you, but I'm going to work, and when I have some time, I'll do my try on. Okay, I'm back, and before I actually talk about the clothes I'm wearing, I forgot to show you a pair of earrings I ordered. So these are by Marlin Shift. They were $36. They're the paperclip style earrings. Again, I'll put this in my links below. I do like these. I'm gonna have to try them on because I almost think the posts are too big to go through my holes. They look quite thick to me. But I'm not sure. So I'm going to try. I have to try them on first. I will sanitize them before and after, but I don't think I'm going to be able to get them through my ears. All right. So the sweater. I'm just not in love with the sweater color. It's a little bit too bright for me. I was looking for like a softer type of yellow. So I think I can safely return this and not miss it. The pants, I really like the pants. They are super soft and comfy, perfect spring weight. The length is perfect. There's nothing wrong with them. They're not too tight. They might be a little bit too baggy in this area. I'm not sure. And my only question is when I look here, and I'm gonna pan down to get the full view bottom of me because I need to look back at the footage to see if I like these on me or do these just look awful. All right, so let me pan down and then step back so I can get the full lower half of my body going here so I can see how these look on me, okay? So, the pockets are very comfy. They have the two back pockets, the pork chop pockets in the front. They don't pull. There's nothing wrong with them. But I just don't know if they're flattering. Let me know your thoughts below. They are very comfortable, very thin and lightweight. All right, give me a minute and let me throw on that tank. Okay, the wave top, too small, too tight across my chest, and it is like choking me at the top. So if you have any kind of neck issues whatsoever, this is very, very small neck opening. So this is a definite no for me. Again, it's a waif. And I was too lazy to change out my bra, so excuse the bra straps. The earrings. The posts were not too big for my ears. However, they are two pieces. So I'm going to be letting anyone know that when you open it up, you kind of lose the second piece and it falls off immediately. So it took several tries to get it on the post in order to get it in my ears. That said, I think it was worth the effort of putting these in my ears. They're unique to me. I don't have anything like them, and I think I will keep them. All right, let me start packing this stuff up, and the last thing I have to model for you are the shoes, and I'm still debating about these pants. Let me know what you think the pants on me. Again, super comfy, and they're 100% cotton. They're machine wash, cold, inside out, and I believe it said line dry. All right, give me a minute, and I'll do the shoes. Okay, I have the shoes on, and I'll pan down just for a minute so you can see them. This time they're a keeper. I'm not letting them get away again. So I'll pan down so you can see, and I'm thinking I might even wear them tomorrow. We'll see. All right, so they're just a loafer. They, are pretty comfortable, and I really don't have much in the way of flats, and I definitely don't have any loafers. So this is unique for me in my closet, and I think I'm going to keep it. All right, thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, why not? Give me a thumbs up, click that notification bell. Take care, and until next time.